Hello, grade 8. So, I will be teaching you how to use a scale. You learned this in class, but let's do a small revision. Here, the tension in a rope, the tension force exerted by this rope on the box is 15 Newton. So we have the magnitude, okay? In part C, they told us to represent this force by a diagram. So we have to draw the force vector on the diagram, just like they did here. This is a solved exercise, okay? To represent this force, we have to first find the length, okay? Yani we need the length of this force. They gave us the scale, okay, and we have the magnitude. We said that we put the magnitude under the magnitude, Newton under Newton, and our x or our unknown is in the centimeter. So how do we do it? How do we solve this? We do cross multiply. X times 25, it's 25x equals to 15 Newton, 50. So x equals to 50 over 25. We divide by 25 both sides, and we will get 2. X is in centimeter because we are getting the length of the force, so 2 centimeter, okay? And now that we have the length of the force, we can represent it just like they did in this exercise. You just measure 2 centimeters by the ruler and you draw the force vector, okay? So always when you see represent, you have to draw the force vector. You have to get the length of the force vector and draw it, okay? Okay. Now let's see another example. Now another example. Here they gave us the magnitude of the force, okay, a force of magnitude F equal 45 Newton. And it is represented by a force vector 6 centimeter long. So they gave us the length of the force and the magnitude, okay? Yani they told us that this force that has a length of 6 centimeter is 45 Newton, okay? What do they want us to find here in this example? In part 1, they told us to find the scale to which this force is drawn. So we have to find the scale. The scale is يعني, how much each centimeter represents. Okay, what does each 1 centimeter represents in magnitude? This is the scale, and we need to know every centimeter what is it in Newton. Okay, so how can we calculate this? We just put 1 centimeter under the centimeter, and we want to know what does every centimeter represent in Newton. Okay, so our x is in Newton. Okay, let's do it here. So 1 centimeter is how much? Because they want us to find the scale. Okay, so 1 centimeter is how much in Newton? Same thing, we do cross multiply. X times 6 is 6x equal 45. And x is equal to 45 over 6, okay? It's 7.5. Okay, 7.5, what is the unit of 7.5? Because we are finding the magnitude here in Newton, so it's of course in Newton, okay? So the scale is 1 centimeter. For every 1 centimeter, there is 7.5 Newton, okay?